Hello, welcome to Drop 23. So last week was actually great. I actually hit 4. It's been like 23 weeks and I was not able to hit 4. Somewhere or something was happening and I was not able to hit. Like I came last to the previous week was like close to 3.9 but not 4. But last week I'm really confident that I've improved upon myself and I was actually, properly focusing on my things. There were few plus minus things and few things I missed out, but still overall as a week, I think it has been one of my best week till now. So I would really grade around 4 for my last week. So let's see. So this coming week's challenge would be, really maintaining that 4. 4 के आगे जाना बाद में देखेंगे, but at least I maintain that 4. So let's see how that goes. So last week my grading is like 4. Now moving on to our startup update. So actually, to be frank, startup side is also going great because major efforts, like I mentioned in my last video, no, our major efforts were going on the client side. It's somewhat hectic, it's somewhat pressurized and that type of situation, but now we just had, like July ending happened and our beta release of all those timelines, wo jo project phase tha wo khatam ho gaya. Now new phase has started and this new phase is really good. Actually the timelines have been more structured, more aligned, and I should say I think more agile. So that is what happening. So we are now very comfortable and feeling relaxed, and so that we are working on one thing at a time. So that is really good, and now we are very happy at the end of it, because currently, because last 3-4 months were pretty hectic for us at that, because we are working on multiple things at the same time. So no proper structured way of working out, but now it's actually good. So I feel really excited for that part also. So client side pretty good now. So now August onward we are going to be very working out very smooth fashion. So वो सही चल रहा है वहाँ पे. And as I've been mentioning, currently we only have one client, not any thoughts of moving on, but let's see how it goes in the month of August. I'll keep you updated with that as well. So this is all about our client side. Now moving about product side, and product side is also going great like currently, because as I mentioned in the last video, we haven't achieved our target of 100 folks for testing in the month of July. But I mentioned like कि 10 लोगों तक तो पहुंचा दूंगा. So what we have done is like we are given to 10 folks for testing and we are getting great feedback for 10. So we have made a WhatsApp group small, और जहाँ पे उनको डाल दिया सबको, and they are giving us feedbacks and they are interacting, and whatever possible I'm trying to get on call with them and get that feedbacks. So we haven't achieved 100, but 10 is also pretty good number. So the goal of August would be at least to 1000 तक जाने का मेन पहले टारगेट रखा था, बट नाउ सीइंग दैट 100 वाज नॉट पॉसिबल एंड वी एंडेड अप 10. सो आई थिंक आई शुडंट put some unrealistic goal. Let's try to keep it that the WhatsApp group, we try to keep it like full, यानी पूरा लोगों को भर दे, so that 250 220 limit है something around. So 250 folks, like we'll try to give to 250 folks, but if all things goes great then we'll increase that also. So that would be our this would be our overall you can say milestone or target for the month of August. And majorly, as we mentioned, like for July 1, we haven't done anything new. We have been only optimizing for what we have built up, talking to users and building the experiences and making sure things are working at the same, properly. So we have improved a lot, but still we found a lot of bugs. तो वो थोड़ा सा ठीक करें हम लोग. And August also is about the same thing. But one major goal that August will be revolving around is about, that subscriptions and payments and account structure. We really want to push forward. Eventually, we can't always give everything for free and for testing. So August would be something where we'll be laying down our infrastructure for subscription, so that in the coming months, might be in September onwards, we can move on, pushing that part of the product also. So that is the main focus for August, but at the same time, the continuous support for the feedbacks and updates and everything will be going on. So now what a product timeline or day-to-day structure looks like is like we decide 4 tasks per day at a product level. 2 comes from the client feedback, like that user feedbacks, what other guys are using it out and they give us a feedback for improvement. So 2 comes from that and 2 comes from our roadmap. So we also want to balance our roadmap also, because we don't want to extensively support the client user side also, because then our roadmap, our vision and everything will also on hold. So we are on tight resources, like we are not a big team. So we want to balance both things out on a small. So 2 here, 2 here. So we try to do 4 tasks per day. If all things goes great, then we complete that, or else if something is remaining, then we push forward in the next day. So this is how overall our product side is going on right now. So overall our startup side is going great, team is excited, everything is going great. Now moving forward to the challenge part. and challenge part is not going as expected, but definitely few of my challenges are going great. One such is drop, other is like community building, social media, and book reading. तो यार ऐसा लग रहा है, it's like I feel like July month was an holiday for me for book reading challenge. So the whole July month I was not able to really incorporate time for book reading. But I think August brings a new month, new hope. So I'm feeling that I would really get back to book reading again. Like I'm really curious about reading new things and exploring stuff. So I think that part is I'm missing it out. But overall I think I'm quite happy with all my challenges of my past. And थोड़े बहुत मिस हो गए, but ठीक है, वो बाद में देख लेंगे. I'm focusing on whatever the things are working and whatever things I'm giving priorities to. So overall all great. But this week's challenge, or you can say the hypothesis, is all about community. So what, if you remember properly, then couple of weeks back I mentioned like creators of tomorrow, a new professional role or hypothesis that we have been trying to share with you guys. So this is what I am trying to do. Like currently for the month of August, our challenge is about like when I told like 250 plus folks, you want to get into the testing it out. So you want to create a community of like creators of tomorrow, who are like makers, builders, movers, like designers, entrepreneurs, like all sort of a proper creator type of community, where we share, collaborate, and interact and learn with each other. So that's what I'm doing with now. So this week's challenge is about building a community, a very strong, impactful community of creators. It's not just about YouTubers or Instagrammers, but a very deeper level about what hypothesis that we have put forward. So I think that's what I would like to take as this challenge this week, and let's see how it goes. So if you guys are interested in meeting new folks in this field, if you are a designer or an entrepreneur or a builder, are you doing some kind of any exciting stuff at the end of the day, or you are a marketer, or you are a social media enthusiast or an influencer, I don't know. So if you want to be something meet with exciting folks, then let me know. I'll make you part of the group, and at the same time you would be also able to access our product also, and you can actively participating in shaping our product. So that would also be great. So let me know what you guys think about this, and if you guys are really interested, then DM me or ping me or comment me, whatever you can do, and I'll help you out with the access and stuff. So this is all about this week's challenge. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and I think ये video थोड़ा लंबा हो गया है. So let me know what you guys are working on. I'm really curious, and many of the folks are watching me. Like थोड़े बहुत तो देख ही लेते हैं videos. So let me know what you guys are working on, and we can collaborate or we can do something crazy stuff also. So hoping to see you guys in the next week. Till then, stay safe, keep hustling, YOLO. Bye, take care.